So hello guys, welcome to another unboxing video of DualSense Edge controller. So the MRP is 8900 and due to some offer I got it for around 13,000. So as you can see, this is the unit. Seal is intact. Let's unbox it. Okay, so we have a box within a box. We have the PlayStation logo. The packing is similar to the PlayStation 5. And what we have here is a hard shell, a cover for that hard shell. Let's see what else we do we get here. We have a user's guide, which I'm sure most of you don't ever bother to read it, but you must. I mean, it has some useful information regarding your product, so at least you should go through this. So the main product, the star of today's show, the DualSense Edge controller. We have a very good packaging. I mean, for 19,000 rupees, the packing is very premium. So here we have, it's a pretty hard shell. We have the PlayStation logos. This flip pad opens like this, so when you're keeping your controller, in this case, you can charge it directly without unzipping your controller. Here you can put your Type-C cable and charge it. This attaches to the main cover by a velcro. For the accessories, we have a USB-A to Type-C original PlayStation cable. By the looks of it, it's at least 3 meters. Nice detailing here by Sony. We have this flip case, so we can put the cable into this and keep it here well organized. And we have the controller. This feels a bit heavy than the normal DualSense controller, but it has a nice feel to it. Yeah. We have the PlayStation logos over here. From the back side, we have the PlayStation logos embossed over here, just like you have on the DualSense. And here also the whole back is embossed with the PlayStation logos, except over here we have the trigger resistive trigger control buttons. Here you can put those levers. This is the release button, so that this portion, this shiny portion of the controller may come out, and you can swap the thumbsticks. So these function buttons have a variety of can be used with a variety of functions. Apart from the controller, we get a lock for the USB Type-C cable, 4 different height of thumbsticks. This is the medium one, and I guess these would be the long ones. Okay, those were the long ones, these are the medium ones. We have the pedals and dome shaped pedals and the long ones. So thank you guys for watching this video.